This instructional video will show you how to reset your Hik-Connect password using your mobile phone number. This icon indicates where to press on your mobile device. To start, open the Hik-Connect app on your phone. Press Reset by Mobile Phone Number at the bottom of your screen. You will then have to enter the 10-digit mobile number associated with your Hik-Connect account, which is your cell phone number. Type the unique 4-digit CAPTCHA code displayed within the box, and then press the checkmark icon at the top right of your screen. You will receive a text message including a 4-digit security code. Enter this unique 4-digit security code into the available field and then press the Next button. Enter a unique password of your choosing. The password character requirements are listed. Then press Finish at the top right of your screen. You have now reset your Hik-Connect password using your mobile phone number. For more helpful instructional resources and information about new products and services, please visit us at altechsi.com or call us at 416-922-1212.